Hello friends, welcome to With My Plan. In the next class of or in the second part of the biological classification, we will study in detail about Kingdom Monera. Okay, so as I told you before, Kingdom Monera is including bacteria. Okay, so the bacteria are the sole member of Kingdom Monera. Okay, and these are very abundant organism found almost everywhere, including extreme habitats. Okay, in extreme habitat meaning extremely high temperature, extremely salty condition, or extremely low temperature. These are called as extreme habitats. Okay, extremely dry condition. Okay, so they are grouped in different categories on the basis of their shape. So they can be cocci, those are spherical shape. Then bacilli, those are rod shaped. Vibrio, they are comma shaped. And there are spirilla, which are spiral shape. So as per the shape, the bacteria are classified in different group. Okay, if we study the metabolic diversity, bacteria exhibit extensive metabolic diversity. They are autotrophic, then synthesizing their own food, and that autotrophism can be photosynthesis, or they can be chemosynthesis. That means they can use light for their food synthesis, or they can use chemicals for their food synthesis, especially your SO2. Okay, sulfurous chemicals. The majority are heterotrophs. That means they depend upon other organism or dead organism for their nutrition or food. Okay, then these bacteria can be of two types. They can be archaebacteria, they can be eubacteria. Now what are those? Archaebacteria, as the name suggests, archae means old or primitive. Okay, so and eu means new. Special bacteria living in a harsh habitat like extreme salt areas, hot springs, marshy areas. These archaebacteria are existing. They differ from other bacteria in cell wall structure, enabling survival in extreme condition. The cell wall of the bacteria is so thick or so resistant that they can survive in extreme conditions. Okay, then these are methanogens. That is basically these archaebacteria are found in guts of ruminant and animals and produce methane, that is a biogas. Okay, so these bacteria are basically producing methane or responsible for methane production. Okay, so this one example of this thing is we use the cow dung, or the dung of cattles for biogas generations. For um, you have heard this gobar gas. Okay, because of this nature, because of this methane producing nature. Okay, so this is because of this methanogenic nature of this archaebacteria which are present in the guts of ruminants. Okay, next is your eubacteria. Eubacteria can be of different type, and they are also having a rigid cell wall, and they are motile. That may be motile, and they if they are motile, they are having flagella, which is helping the bacteria to move. Cyanobacteria, that is a blue green algae and photosynthetic autotrophs with chlorophyll A, are capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen also. Then these are chemosynthetic autotrophs bacteria. They oxidize various inorganic substances, playing role in nutrient recycling. This is very important. These bacteria are having lots of economic benefits or environmental benefits to us. Okay. Then heterotrophic bacteria are these are heterotrophic bacteria and abundant in as decomposer in the environment and have significant impact on human affair, both positive and negative, causing this also causing the diseases. So this is the eubacteria. Now about the reproduction, and another category of bacteria, that is or not bacteria but another category is mycoplasma, which is coming under Monera only. So bacteria reproduce mainly through fission. This is very important. They used to reproduce through fission and sometimes produce spores under unfavorable conditions. They can also reproduce via primitive DNA transfer. Okay. Then mycoplasmas lack a cell wall. They are smaller living cells known and can survive without oxygen and often pathogenic in animals and plants. So mycoplasma are also coming under the Monera group, and they are not having any cell wall, and they are often pathogenic, causing diseases. Lots of mycoplasma related plant diseases are also there, such as your bunchy top. These are virus basically, but some bunchy tops are there which are responsible for because of this mycoplasma. So these are about Kingdom Monera. Next class we will go for Kingdom Protista. Thank you for listening.